Welcome back to MJ's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to request access in Google Drive. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Google Drive, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Requesting an access to a file or folder in Google Drive remains a straightforward and an easy process. Alright? For example, if you are not been granted access to a specific file, you need to contact the owner. Alright? Access is crucial for contributing to shared projects, documents, or spreadsheets where multiple team members need to collaborate. You might need access to critical documents or reports that are essential for your work or decision making. Now, requesting access allows you to review and provide feedback on collaborative work, ensuring that input from all stakeholders is considered. Because access to training documents or materials can be required for onboarding or learning new skills, especially in collaborative environments. For example, you're working for a client or other freelancers, or maybe your boss, or within an organization company. Requesting access helps ensure that everyone involved in a project or task has the most up-to-date and consistent information. All you're gonna do is put in an information here. Maybe let's type in a message to the owner. Click on that, on the message. I need you to click the request access. What will happen is you'll get an email letting you know if your request has approved and the request was sent, alright? When requesting access, you need to communicate effectively with the file owner or administrator to ensure a smooth process. You need to understand that access may be restricted for a reason and be prepared to provide justification for your request. Clearly specify why you need to access and how it will benefit the project or task, because by requesting access when you need it, you can ensure effective collaboration, maintain project alignment, and of course, fulfill your responsibilities efficiently. If in case you encounter any problems along the way in requesting access to a specific file or folder, you might want to go to the Google Drive Center, type in your question if you get an answer, or simply go to the post to the help community, post a question, type in your concern, and hopefully one of the active members on the Google Drive help community will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to solve the problem. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.